First things first, I wash my hair with this Tresemme Keratin Smooth treatment. This is the shampoo, and this is not something that I use for every wash. I don't use this for every silk press either. I probably use this quarterly. This is just to help tame like frizzy, unruly hair. We're in the same line, the Tresemme Keratin Smooth conditioner. It's just to help keep your hair smooth and sleek. And I'm gonna show you how I apply this. A lot in my hand. I'm almost out. And I just washed my hair, so it is a little bit dried out, unfortunately, because I took too long to start this video. But I like to really coat my hair with the conditioner, and I get up in my roots as well because that's where my hair gets real puffy, you know, if I sweat or anything. This does not mean your hair is not gonna puff up like if it gets wet or if you get sweaty or if you're in a humid area. Those things can still happen, but it just won't be as much. And this is not like a treatment for your hair that's gonna ruin your hair if you're natural or anything. I'm natural and I don't know my hair texture, but I'm pretty sure I'm like 3C, 4A possibly. This has never done anything to upset my curl pattern. My curl pattern comes right back after I wash, and it's not like a relaxer or a treatment that's gonna ruin your hair. Like, I don't know why people think that. It's literally just to help smooth and tame that frizz. Combing the product through is really going to help the conditioner do its job because it's going to saturate each strand. After I comb all of this product throughout my hair, I put my towel back on and I let it sit for 10 minutes and then I go and rinse it out. Now I'm gonna start the blow drying process. My hair is all washed out and I like to go in with this heat protectant by Tresemme. It's the Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant. Get this red bottle, don't get the one in the black bottle. I feel like the black bottle makes your hair a little bit like hard. Anyway, I go in with my round brush blow dryer. This helps to smooth the hair. And then I'm going in with the Keratin Smooth Serum. This is just gonna add shine and moisture and more smoothness to the hair. Then go back in with the blow dryer. So basically I'm doing these steps and my hair is still damp in between each step. Now I'm gonna blow dry until the hair is completely dry, and I do this in each section. So I'm just finishing up the back section and you can see that it's got a lot of body and it's really shiny. It's completely dry now. And by the way, I blow dried on low. Ignore my ashy hand. So now remember, the hair is not completely dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that Keratin Smooth Serum just to add some shine and help with that frizz. Once I've added that, I'm gonna go back in and blow dry. And just like with any product, you don't wanna do too much. Like, you don't want your silk press to be heavy. So make sure you don't add too much of this smoothing serum. My hair is so shiny and it feels so silky and soft. I really love this whole little Tresemme line. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish blow drying my hair. This is what my hair looks like all blown out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and section it off so I can give myself a trim. So I basically go ear to ear, just parting that little section off. I start in the front, and what I'm gonna do is just get a comb through my hair really well and put a scrunchie on it really tight. So I bring the hair forward to my forehead, and once I've got all the strands in there and everything feels nice and straight and there's no bumps, I tie it off. And this is also how you get a really nice layer. I'm not gonna trim much of my hair though. I'm just gonna take like maybe almost an inch off. I don't like my ends looking see-through at all. So what I'm gonna do is just wherever I see through the hair, I'm just cutting it off. So you can see right here, like, it's not even bad. My ends are actually pretty healthy, but this is just what I like. So I'm just gonna cut this little section off, and then I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the back. And also you can see like it just has so much more body now that it's trimmed. Look at all the movement. So we're moving on to the back. We're gonna do a low ponytail this time. We're not gonna put it in the middle of our head or anything like that. Do it really low and then add your scrunchie on, get it nice and tight. This is just gonna help everything like stay in place so you can trim your hair. And you can see the back of my hair was super see-through at the end. So I'm just gonna trim that off, and then we'll go to the front of the head again. So once that's cut off, you can also see where I have a little bit of a layer in the back. That's what you want. So make sure when you do cut the back, you bring your hair forward like I did. Now I'm gonna part it down the middle. It's not perfect at all, but I'm gonna do some face framing layers. So I just go back through and find my shortest layer and go from there. So here's what the layer's looking like. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. If you are not like great at cutting, make sure you twist your hair like I did so you can get a better cut. And just find your shortest layer and work your way down. This is all I do for my trim. Once I'm done, I just go through and I make sure the hair is even, and that's it. So let's get back into the hair. We're gonna go ahead and straighten it. And I like to go in with my Silk Infusion serum. I go a little bit heavy with it, probably a quarter size amount. And I'm gonna put that all over the back of the hair. I do make sure that I get my roots. And it doesn't make your hair heavy or anything. And then make sure you get the ends really well. And I got this flat iron from Target. This is the Infinity Pro by Conair. It's just a 1-inch little flat iron. So I'm still just going bone straight. What I haven't done to my hair in a while is just like flat iron it bone straight. I always put a curl or some kind of bump in it because I love my hair when it's big. So I'm doing it bone straight today. I feel like I look like a whole different person with bone straight hair. And this flat iron gets pretty hot. It's on 30. I don't know what that equates to on other flat irons that say like 340 and 400. It probably means 400. I don't know. And I like to do one pass. I just take my time. I don't go too slow. I don't want to like leave it there on my head to fry, but I do take it pretty slow so that I don't have to go back and do another pass. Get those roots good. Take your time. And yes, I know my hair is over here cooking. One of the keys to getting a good flat iron is like also making sure you blow dry it really well and apply the necessary serums while you're blow drying, like your heat protectant and then your silkening serum, and it just makes such a huge difference. All right, so let me show y'all the back. This is the Care smoothing wax stick, and I use this on my edges. I love this stuff. I also use it like whenever I part my hair in any direction. It just helps to get it really slick. So now that we're near the end and I'm just finishing out straightening my hair, I'm going to do a little recap on the products that really elevated my silk press. And the first thing is that line of Tresemme, the Keratin Smooth shampoo, conditioner, and smoothing serum. And of course, I can't forget the heat protectant in the Tresemme line. The one in the red bottle, that's my favorite. Also, you're going to need you a good Chi Silk Infusion Serum. And you can use this Care wax stick like I just did as well. It'll just help get the hair a little bit more flat and help with those flyaways. I hope this video was helpful to anyone who's trying to achieve a really good silky silk press. If this video helped you out at all, leave a comment down below and don't forget to like this video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red button. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!